Now we're back. Now we're back. Now we're back. I forgot to stop it on one recording, and then I thought I had already stopped it. I hit record, it stopped recording. I hit stop recording, it recorded. I don't know.
Oh,
all right.
Crap. I hate that armor.
Bring us back. Bring us back.
There.
I did. You're not doing anything.
What the fuck?
All right.
What happened to Mark?
Welcome to the
sure
Eno and ProtonJon show.
What's up?
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good.
Like my pimp coat?
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
Thank you.
I'm a knight.
Yo, fuck this. This isn't in my contract. I'm out. Fuck this. Fuck you guys.
Paul, let's just play by ourselves.
You guys just go play with
Okay,
yourselves.
let's go over here.
We'll start our own YouTube channel. Be a competition.
Cunts are us. All right, let's
Game good name. Let's do it.
Game Breakers, lineofdudes.com. Wow, dude, they're gonna get 8.
Let's run towards it.
Because that's what the Scots did.
Well, it sure looks like those two could use our help, but I'm not doing anything. Fuck you guys.
Oh shit! Come on.
As I get electrocuted. Stop it!
Yeah, somebody want to revive old Grey Knight? There we go.
I don't even know why I keep reviving you guys. Bunch of yeah.
Damn it! Again, down. His body just goes kaputski, man, when you hit him with that shit.
Yeah.
Do they break this thing, or what do we do with this?
I don't know. Oh, put out the fire right here. There we go.
We could just make it rain, but...
But then we couldn't heal ourselves. And that's probably a little more important.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Thunderbolts are on the loose. Thunderbolts are loose. I was healing you. Who's got a thunderbolt?
Everything is on fire.
Everything's beautiful. You
No,
guys
it's not.
drying you off. Oh, wrong button. I'm an idiot.
You set yourself on fire, didn't you?
Yeah.
There's a book there.
Go on for it.
Oh, you cannot.
Flagration.
You cannot use lightning bolts indoors.
Makes sense.
Can you revive me, old Mark?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Will you revive him?
That is
I
probably
think that was the more
question.
apt question.
Yes, I can revive you.
What did we just learn?
Never
Anything
trust
that
you know.
doors?
Oh my god, dude. You just
Revive.
Revive. W-A. Revive. Do it. One more time. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what's back here? I think we gotta go that way, right? What's back here?
That looks
That's probably the way we
down there's where we have to go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we have to walk
There's
around
nothing
that
up there anyway.
rubble.
Hey, how you doing? I want his sword. Where's it? Whoa!
Had to be done.
That was that was overkill. Overkill. Had to be done. All right, I need to find somebody with a sword.
And you're out.
You don't have to.
That was a good shot.
That was really good.
And you're out.
Oh,
Right,
so are
it's
you.
Yeah. Bring us back. Bring us back.
We got busy. Hang on.
You guys have like one monster around you. Busy.
We define busy as different terms, Mark.
W-A.
WA spacebar, come on. WA spacebar. It's not hard, guys.
W-A. Come on, Mark. I mean, Mark. Fuck, Paul. Your Myrtle. Oh, there we go. One more time. Q it. WA. Let's get.
That armor is really good.
I know, that's why I have to keep using it, because everyone's a dick. Oh, when did I get revived? I didn't even realize that.
That's pretty beast, man, that lightning bolt. Oh, look at this. See if I can hit this pig.
I'm getting the way out of him.
Oh.
Bounced off you.
Yeah, it's fine. I was like balls deep right there. Can I break this? No, no, it won't break.
Where are we still going this way?
Yeah,
or?
I think so. They're all the bodies absorb into the ground. This is a weird planet where material just absorbs into stone.
A crack in the road or a back raising the door.
The orcs have
And if
the
fast
king.
enough, we bought it by the reins.
What is this fucking trilogy?
They forgot their battering ram, so they're setting dynamite.
Oh my god.
We have to keep the monsters from putting out the TNT.
Oh. Revive, revive, revive.
Am I the only one? Okay.
No, John's up.
No, I'm still here.
Oh, okay. Watch out. There we go. That conflagration's great.
And what's great?
What's that do?
It's that. Watch, I'll show you. That sets everything on fire.
Like crap,
Oh.
what did you just use?
Yeah.
Bring me back, I'm dead.
Exactly.
Bring me back, I'm dead.
Revive.
One more time. Oh, one more time.
I have this thing on me.
Oh my god, I fucking killed myself.
Fucking thing.
Bring back, bring us back, bring us back.
Gotcha.
Watch it out.
Damn it! Your fucking conflagration thing is killing me,
Yeah,
dude.
no kidding. It's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, but it's also doing all the work, you lazy
No, it's not. My
bastards.
lightning bolt's killing like
That's
every
'cause you keep
single thing
killing
that comes
us.
in.
Yeah, sure. Excuses.
Yeah.
Where the hell is John?
I'm down on the bottom right.
Oh fuck, man.
Oh,
Revive.
sorry, I just got killed. So
Revive, revive, revive.
Because I keep trying to revive you, but you're not there. I guess
I wasn't
'cause you're
dead.
alive.
That's why.
Oh.
My armor was saving me.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh, that's a big guy.
Damn, he fucking just punched me across the room. Bring it back. Bring it back, y'all. Here we go. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, right in the way of it, too. Here.
I'm dead.
No, you're
I
back
got
in.
you.
Wait. Oh, the hell? Ah, I'm getting eaten.
Damn it. I like how, given a choice, my lightning bolt goes after the one dude helping us.
Yeah, I know.
Or bring me back, I'm down. God, Jesus. Bring me back.
Are you down again?
Yeah, I fucking... It spawns me right in front of Mark as he lights a fucking spell off. What?
That took
Is that supposed
forever.
to happen?
Yeah, I know. That took a while. Dude, I think we can just ignore him and go in.
Oh my god, I'm fucking dead again.
Jeez. And I was punted off the screen.
There we go.
Right through a building. Alright.
Alright. Is that the end of this episode?
We have to kill this guy, and we probably end this chapter.
Yeah. Petty street magicians, eh?
Nothing can stop the machine.
Let's stop the machine.
Okay.
Let's rage against it.
Let's all hit him with lightning bolts.
The machine.
If this is like... Oh.
Oh, we have a time limit on this fight, guys.
Wait, what? Oh, great. Okay.
I don't know if I have to kill the magicians or kill the machine.
How do you nullify again? They're putting
Revive.
shields on themselves.
I got the machine. Cover me.
John, do you remember how to nullify?
It should be on our list.
Oh.
It's arcane, or it's SE. SE.
Revive.
Got it. Killed the machine.
That was easy.
That was actually pretty fucking cool.
That was good.
Yeah. You didn't have to... You guys took care of that other guy. I just sat there with the rocks and dropped them on that thing.
I guess we gotta kill this guy now.
I wonder if we can do multiple things if it does more damage. Like if one of us hits him with...
If you cross the streams, basically?
Yeah, if one of us hits him with electricity and one of us hits him with water.
Hold on, I'm...
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
I'm trying to freeze him in place here, so...
I'm doing my thing here.
He just roasted me.
Sorry,
Bring me back.
I got you with that one.
Bring me back. Bring me back.
Okay. Oh, no one did? Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, bring me back.
I've been dead for like 10 fucking minutes.
Oh, Jesus, okay.
Come on, bring us back. Keep coming.
Really?
And I'm dead.
Brought you back just as I died. Bring me
Yeah,
back.
they really... Yeah, I'm dead again. They really like putting you in the line of fire when you revive.
I know. Mark, can you bring us back?
And let me deal with this one magician and then I'll help you.
Yeah, Mark's dead. So...
Healed. It's like it's a fraction of a second.
Fuck, I must be wet. I can't revive.
You're wet. I mean, you're on fire.
Holy
Oh,
shit.
shit.
I
that was
revived
close.
someone just in time.
Oh my god. Did you... right in the middle of it. I wish it gave you a notice that you were back in. It didn't show me anything. It was like all I could see was everybody there, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh shit, I'm in. All right, you guys deal with the wizards. I'm gonna take out this this machine.
Okay.
I wish I knew how to rain down asteroids. Oh, you can't.
Me
use
too.
inside.
Yeah, I forgot how to do it.
Negro matata. Shut up. Fucking likes you anyway. Alright, I got this.
John, did you want to freeze them in place?
That's what I'm working on.
Okay. So, if they're stuck in one place, I'll just keep beaming them.
Revive.
Keep them off me.
Alright, hold on. Oh, shit. You're gonna have to revive us, John, if you can.
I got him. I'll bring him back. There he goes. That's so awesome.
The one that's healing now is the wizard we take first, because he's almost dead.
Alright, let me get John in.
John just doesn't want to talk to us anymore. He's done.
You're back in, brother.
Oh, thanks. No, he hit me with a beam.
Shit, man, I got this fucking guy.
Thanks.
Dead.
Gotcha.
Shit, I'm dead.
Gotcha.
Thanks.
Here, you guys focus on dealing damage. I'll run around if you die. And he revives.
Okay.
So.
I want this.
I'm gonna try freezing the boss in place.
Freeze him and I'll hit him with the sword.
Well, he's scrolling off screen so I can barely see him right now.
Oh shit.
Okay, keep freezing him in place then.
Let's do
I'm
this
trying
guy.
to.
I'll freeze this guy in place for Eno.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I got this guy. Y'all go.
Sorry.
If you guys could scroll down just a tiny bit more, that'd be fantastic.
Be right there.
Oh, we got him.
Wait,
Dude, somebody get me. Somebody get me. Bring me back.
hold on. Oh crap. Oh, these wizards keep spawning.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We only have to deal with the main. Bring me back, somebody.
I'm wet. Somebody else do it.
Got it.
You brought me back?
Yeah.
Shit, sorry.
Dead.
Got him.
Got
Good
him.
job, guys. Good job.
Nice for the cavalry to arrive just in time.
Yeah.
Nice little reference
that's
here,
awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. It would only been better
Saved by the king.
if Paul had his
This was
hand
called
chopped
episode
off.
4, A New Hope, so.
Yeah. To be fair, that never happened in A New Hope, though.
Yeah. Still, Star Wars.
Yes, I get it.
Captain, prep for the crime here.
All right, guys.
That
That was good times.
Did it? I think they also made a Star Trek one there, too, because this dude's name was Khan.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next episodes. Say goodnight, guys.
Khan!
Nice.
Hey, guys.